Hi, myself Dras Kohli. I am 21 years of age and I have been doing fashion photography diploma course from MDPS since last 5 months.
Hello, my name is Vaibhav and I am pursuing fashion diploma from MDPS since last 6 months.
I am Sujay Kadakia from Mumbai. Currently I am pursuing photography course in wedding and fashion.
I am Neema Chitani. I am studying photography as a diploma course from MDPS.
Myself Nivit, coming from Baroda to learn diploma in fashion photography.
One of my friend who has also done a diploma course from MDPS, she suggested me and let me know about Dharmesh sir and this institute MDPS.
मैं एक फोटोग्राफी इंस्टीट्यूट देख रहा था तो मुझे गूगल पे MDPS का ऐड दिखा तो मैंने उनको कॉल करा और सर ने मुझे अच्छा गाइडेंस दिया.
Before few months back, I found about the MDPS from Google.
So about MDPS, actually I would say I first found out about it from the internet itself.
So I came to know about MDPS by searching on Google.
Our sir Dharmesh Sachdev, he guided me very well and now I am very confident in pursuing a career in fashion photography after doing a course from MDPS.
क्लासरूम का जो एनवायरनमेंट था वो बहुत फ्रेंडली था.
Faculty of the MDPS Institute are very good and very helpful.
And itself on the call, the way he talks and the way he explains things was what drew me in the course, and that is the reason I joined MDPS. So I've been working with quite a few brands, from different products and food as well. And I've also been working with production houses and been going on sets for doing stills and making.
Dharmesh sir picked up the call and he was so friendly that I instantly joined the class.
Hi, my name is Miranda and I'm a model. I've worked with MDPS quite some time now, and I really like shooting with them because I can see different people, good talent and very creative. Well, I remember the very first shoot, I think that was 2-3 years ago, and that was me with my white shirt, and that was like a really fun shoot. That was my first shoot with Dharmesh sir.
After having such a great experience at MDPS and getting all the knowledge about the photography I could ever get,
जब मैंने क्लासेस ज्वाइन कराए तब मैंने को बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ क्योंकि प्रोफेशनल इक्विपमेंट्स थे.
Giving you the knowledge about cameras, technical details, lighting, and also clearing your doubts.
From learning from the very basics to going on shoots, indoor and outdoor. And Dharmesh sir has been very kind and very polite with us. He's been very patient and has taught us the minute details that we needed to know, and as well as solved all the doubts that we've ever had, whether it was on the shoot, on the location, or in regard to pose, whether it's camera or slide. So it's been quite a pleasant atmosphere in the classes and everything.
our sir Mr. Dharmesh Sachdev is a really great person. He really helped us throughout the course, making us understand all the basics of lighting, all the equipment, all the things necessary to become a photographer and have a great career.
धर्मेश सर ने हमें बहुत अच्छे से इक्विपमेंट हैंडलिंग के बारे में बताया, लाइटिंग कैसे करनी वो बताया, कंपोजिशन, फ्रेमिंग. सर का पढ़ाने का तरीका भी बहुत इम्प्रेसिव और बहुत डिफरेंट है.
Because we get to know the much in detail about the light setup, background, and everything.
You will learn best lighting condition, how to take photos in ambience, in studio lighting. And the best part is that Dharmesh sir will be teaching you personally about the light.
And we've learned a lot, and I think all my fellow members will also agree to it, that the experience has been worthwhile. So I think everyone who wants to learn a lot about photography, lighting from basic to the very advanced should go for MDPS.